Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to quickly show you how you can fix access denied error when you try to change a process priority in Task Manager. So firstly, what you can try is you can open Task Manager by an administrator. So type Task Manager, right click on it and click on Run as an administrator, right? So this is the first fix what you can try. Now you can go to your details, you can search for your app or the game, right click, set priority, and you can try to change the priority. If this is still not working and you're getting access denied error, what you can do, you can right click on the app, go to properties, here security, and here we want to enable this full control for the system administrators and the users. So by the default on the system this should be enabled, so you can go to users, click on edit, here choose users and enable full control. Click on apply, OK, and now it should work, so you can try it. I can, for example, set this back to normal, and when you get this warning, if you want to change this, it means it's working, and you can just click on this change priority, but do this on your own responsibility. Just change the priority of the apps or the games you opened, not some kind of system processes you don't recognize or you don't know, because that can actually cause some crashes or freezes to your computer. So click on change priority, and now we have changed priority successfully. So this is how you can fix access denied error when you try to change a process priority in Task Manager. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.